Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. Today I'm reading from This Thing Called You by Ernest Holmes, and in it he wrote, "There is a pattern of perfection at the center of your being which has never been touched by disease or misfortune. Your intellect senses this through intuition. Your imagination feels it by divine right. Your inward consciousness knows it through faith. What you are trying to do is to awaken your whole being into spiritual awakeness." So let's put these words of wisdom to power in our lives. And we do that through affirmative prayer. I'm going to say this prayer in the first person, but take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tightly to it. If I say something that doesn't work for you, well, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, one power. This power is perfect love, it's divine intelligence. And this power is flowing through me and with me and for me. It is guiding me forth. It is lifting my eyes up to a better knowing for myself. So here today, I know I have come to life to experience the goodness, the glory, the health, and prosperity of God. There is nothing that stands in my way that I cannot easily dismiss, because the only thing that stands in my way is my false ideas about myself. So here today, I choose to think of myself as God thinks of me, as wondrous, as full of glory and full of possibilities. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.